Behold, the almighty soldering iron.
It fuses metal.
Combines conductors.
So powerful.
Ooh. It's a miracle!
Amazing.
Wunderbar.
Then clean the iron's tip using some brass wool or a damp sponge and place it back in the holder. Last but not least, don't forget to turn off your soldering iron.
Well, since you're here, maybe you could help us with this project.
It's not too complicated.
Yeah, it should only take a few hours.
Oh no, what have I done?